Is drinking lemon water every day actually good for you, or could it be causing hidden damage to your health? You've probably heard countless claims about how drinking lemon water every day can transform your life. It's all over social media, with influencers and health gurus swearing by it. But here's the truth. Lemon water isn't just a miracle drink. While it does come with some powerful benefits, it's not all sunshine and citrus. If consumed the wrong way, it can lead to some pretty unpleasant side effects. From eroding your tooth enamel to potentially irritating your stomach, there are a few things you should know before you start squeezing those lemons. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you off lemon water completely. In fact, when done right, this simple habit could truly change your life. So stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to maximize the benefits of drinking lemon water every day while avoiding the potential downsides. So why is everyone so obsessed with lemon water? What's the big deal with squeezing a lemon into a glass of water every morning? Well, lemons are much more than just a flavor booster. They're packed with nutrients like vitamin C, antioxidants, and even small amounts of potassium. But here's what really makes them stand out. When you mix lemon with water, it creates a drink that's not only refreshing but also loaded with potential health benefits. Drinking lemon water daily helps your body in many ways, from boosting your immune system to improving your digestion. And let's not forget the detoxifying properties. Many people swear by lemon water as a way to flush out toxins and kickstart their metabolism. But there's one key thing that makes lemon water special. It's incredibly easy to incorporate into your routine. It's not a complicated recipe or expensive supplement. It's just a simple habit that can deliver some serious results. Now that you understand why lemon water is such a game changer, let's break down the 10 life-changing health benefits you can experience from drinking it every day. Boosts your immune system. One of the most well-known benefits of drinking lemon water every day is the impact it has on your immune system. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps your body fight off infections and illnesses. Especially during cold and flu season, adding lemon to your water daily can give your immune system that extra boost it needs. When I have the flu, I don't take any medications. I just drink lemon water mixed with ginger, and it works like magic. Aids digestion. If you're dealing with bloating or indigestion, drinking lemon water every day could be the solution you've been looking for. Lemons contain pectin fiber, which helps promote healthy digestion. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can stimulate your digestive system, helping your body process food more efficiently throughout the day. Improves skin health. Want glowing skin? Drinking lemon water every day might help. The vitamin C in lemons can reduce wrinkles and improve your skin's overall texture. Plus, the hydration from drinking lemon water keeps your skin looking plump and healthy. So if you're looking for an easy, natural way to enhance your skincare routine, adding lemon water to your daily diet could make all the difference. Helps with weight loss. While lemon water isn't a miracle weight loss drink, it can be a great companion on your weight loss journey. Drinking lemon water every day can help you feel fuller, which may prevent overeating. Plus, the pectin fiber and hydration boost can support a healthier metabolism. Increases energy levels. Forget your morning coffee. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can give you a natural energy boost. The nutrients in lemons, combined with the hydration from the water, help to revitalize your system and keep you feeling more energized throughout the day without the caffeine crash. Supports heart health. Lemons are a surprising source of potassium, which is essential for heart health. Potassium helps to regulate blood pressure and manage cardiovascular functions. Drinking lemon water every day might help you support your heart health and lower your risk of heart-related diseases. It's an easy addition to your daily routine with potential long-term benefits. Freshens your breath. Bad breath? Lemon water can help. The acidity of lemons naturally helps neutralize odors, leaving you with fresher breath. It can also stimulate saliva production, which can prevent dry mouth, a common cause of bad breath. However, to protect your teeth, be sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterward to avoid enamel damage. Hydrates your body more effectively. Staying hydrated is key to overall health, and adding lemon to your water might encourage you to drink more. The flavor boost from lemons can make plain water more appealing, helping you stay on top of your hydration goals. Hydration impacts everything from energy levels to skin health, making lemon water an easy way to ensure you're drinking enough fluids throughout the day. Balances your body's pH levels. Even though lemons are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect once digested. This is a popular reason why people drink lemon water every day, as an alkaline environment is believed to help the body function better, reducing inflammation and improving overall wellness. While more research is needed, many people report feeling better when their diet includes more alkalizing foods like lemons. Detoxifies your body. One of the most promoted benefits of lemon water is its ability to help flush out toxins from the body. While your body already has a natural detox system, drinking lemon water daily might support this process by stimulating the liver. It's a gentle, natural way to keep your system running smoothly and encourage regular detoxification. Now that you know the 10 incredible health benefits of drinking lemon water every day, let's talk about how you can start incorporating this habit into your daily routine. I'll also share a simple lemon water recipe and tips to maximize its benefits without any of the downsides. Okay. Now that we've covered all the amazing benefits, let's talk about how you can make lemon water a part of your daily routine. It's super simple, and there are a few key tips to ensure you're getting the most out of it without causing any harm to your teeth or stomach. Step 1. Get your ingredients. All you need is a fresh lemon and some water. That's it. You can use room temperature water, cold water, or even warm water, whatever you prefer. Some people swear by warm lemon water in the morning as it's said to kickstart your metabolism. Step 2. Squeeze and stir. Cut your lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a glass of water. If you're using a whole lemon, that's great, but half a lemon per glass is usually enough for most people. You can even add a little bit of honey or mint if you want to mix it up. Step 3. Drink it fresh. For the best results, try to drink lemon water first thing in the morning before breakfast. This way, it helps kickstart your digestion and hydrates your body after a night's rest. But you can also drink it throughout the day. Just make sure it's fresh and not sitting for too long. Protect your teeth. Here's a quick tip. Lemon is acidic, so it's a good idea to use a straw when drinking lemon water to protect your tooth enamel. And don't forget to rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. Now that you know how easy it is to make lemon water and the amazing benefits it can bring, why not give it a try? I challenge you to start drinking lemon water every day for 30 days and see the results for yourself. Here's what to look out for. Improved energy levels, clearer skin, better digestion, a healthier, more hydrated you. If you take on this 30-day lemon water challenge, I'd love to hear about your experience. Share your results in the comments below. Whether it's glowing skin or just feeling fresher every morning, your story might inspire others to start their own lemon water journey. To sum it all up, drinking lemon water every day can truly change your life in so many ways, from boosting your immune system to improving your digestion, skin, and energy levels. It's such a simple habit, yet the benefits can be remarkable. Remember, the key to unlocking these benefits is consistency. So grab a lemon, squeeze it into your water, and make this refreshing drink a part of your daily routine. Your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more life-changing health tips like these. And of course, let me know in the comments, are you up for the lemon water challenge?